Ready to set up your new LEVOIT ultrasonic cool mist humidifier? Let's get started. Place your humidifier on a hard, flat, and water-resistant surface. To fill the tank, start by removing the nozzle cover and taking the water tank off the base. Flip over the water tank and remove the water tank cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Fill the tank with room temperature water. We recommend purified or distilled water. After filling, replace the water tank cap. The arrow on the tank cap should align with the lock on the tank. Place the nozzle cover back on the tank. Now your humidifier is ready to use. Plug it in and tap the control button. Press it repeatedly to switch between mist settings. Blue means low mist. Orange means medium mist. And purple means high mist. If the control button is red, either the humidifier is empty or the tank is not securely on the base. If you'd like to add aroma to the mist, start by turning off the humidifier. Push the aroma box located at the back of the base and pull it out. Put 2 to 3 drops of essential oil on the aroma pad and push it back into the humidifier. Never put essential oils directly into the tank or base. If you notice your humidifier leaking, check if the silicone sealing around the water tank cap is secure. Also, make sure the arrow on the water tank cap is aligned with the lock on the tank after filling. If the mist is unusually low or not coming out at all, there may be too much water in the base. To fix this issue, take the water tank off the base and pour out all the water inside the base. Fill up the tank and place the tank back on the base. Now you're an expert at using your new humidifier. We hope you enjoy the comforting atmosphere your humidifier provides. Thank you for choosing LEVOIT.
Get the best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the Humidifier's ultrasonic cool mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with its auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, fresh-smelling aromas. Get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.
Here's how to use your LEVOIT ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. Connect the power adapter to the base and remove the nozzle and nozzle cap from the water tank. Flip over the water tank and fill it with cool distilled water. Remember not to use hot water and do not add essential oils to the humidifier. Plug in the adapter and turn the mist level dial to your preferred setting. You can rotate the nozzle to adjust the direction of the mist. If there is no water in the tank, the humidifier will not turn on and the power button will light up red. Refill the water tank to use your humidifier. If mist is low or doesn't come out, there may be too much water in the base. Remove the water tank and empty the base chamber. Fill the water tank and place it back on the base. Your ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is set up and ready to go. Enjoy!